Play-Doh. So what is so good about Play-Doh? Play-Doh offers children an enjoyable, therapeutic activity for them to explore in a variety of ways. It helps with their fine and gross motor development and also with problem solving and imaginative play. Play-Doh can be used in the following ways. It helps children to develop manipulative or motor skills, discover the properties of the dough, cooperate, share and collaborate, and share enjoyment, develop sensory experiences, and enable self-expression. It can relieve frustration, allow them to compare and contrast, to make models, and to have awareness of shape, identify colours, and develop manipulative skills. Play-Doh also helps children to push, pull, squeeze, bend, twist, roll, stretch, squash, pinch, flatten, poke, create objects and shapes, etc. You can also link Play-Doh to themes. You can use Play-Doh for imaginative play, so making buns and cakes, to make story props or role-play props, to explore dough by adding objects to make imprints and patterns, and alter the quality of the dough, the elasticity, the solidity, or added extras like sawdust, glitter, or sand. You can also add colour and smell, or add colour and texture, or add colour, texture and smell. Adult support is needed to develop descriptive language. What can you add to Play-Doh to make it different? Things that will add to play values. A variety of plain and textured rolling implements, a variety of cutters, shapes, people and animals, etc. Use cutters that make letters and numbers. Create patterns using Lego tools, sticker bricks, fabrics, car wheels, string, cotton reels. Or add colanders, an icing bag, sieves, a fish slice, a garlic press or potato mashers. Let's make some Play-Doh. Jelly Play-Doh. For this you're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 1 packet of jelly crystals, 1 cup of hot water. Combine all the ingredients together and mix and allow it to cool. No cook Play-Doh. For this you'll need 4 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1½ cups of water. Mix the oil and food colouring together before adding to the dry mixture. Mix until pliable and keep in container or plastic bag. Coconut Play-Doh. 1½ cups of plain flour, 1½ cups of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1⅓ cup of boiling water, 1 cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of cream tartar, and 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. Combine ingredients and mix well and knead into a dough. Store in a sealed container. Here's my contact details. Thank you for listening.